Hi guys, this is Lisa from Local King Robert Day. Welcome to my channel. Yes, finally, we are ready for 2021's fall new release pre-order now. So we are going to just going through all the eight brand new combo set first, and in the video there is a 5% extra coupon code for just for Local Kings Royal YouTube viewers. So you can use at least a 5% extra coupon code for the brand new 8 new release. So at this moment, we are going to combine with a fall promotion. So the whole online store 15% off for all the regular prices, and then plus this 5% extra coupon code. But remember, all the 15% fall promotion is only for the regular prices, and it does not include the 2021's new release. But you can use this 5% extra coupon code for the 2021's fall new release. So I already offered the free shipping for 2021 fall new release, those 8 brand new combo set, and I also put the A combo set and the B combo set. So just click the link below and take a look. So this is a pre-order item. All the shipment will be shipped in the mid-November. If your order does contain with the new release, I will ship them all together. But if your order does not include the new release, I will ship right away. Or if you have some stamp that you really need it right away, when you place order, try to separate them. So just order the order that does not include the new order. If you can wait, that will help me to save some shipping fee. So I will ship them all together in the mid-November. And the 2021's fall new release, they are free shipping. So that's, I think, is a pretty good deal. And make sure you check our A combo set and the B combo set. Okay, so if you get the all A combo set, you get I almost knocked down $50 off. So get a brand new stamp set plus the 16 combo 16 die cut for only $149.99, and then for us for our YouTube viewer, you get a 5% extra discount, plus you will get this extra die cut if you order the 8 brand new combo set. So this die cut is for the thank you. They come with the 2 die cut, they come with the detail die and also the backing, and something look like this. Okay, so and then I know some of you guys probably have a little bit budget issue, and you can choose the B combo set. The B combo set is you can choose any 4 item from those A combo set. So it's also a pretty good deal, and I think I knocked down around the other $20 off. Plus they are free shipping fee for 2021 for new release. By the time you're watching this video, the promotion is already start. So first of all, some of you guys probably is busy and they can't wait to place the order. I'm going to give you that code first, and I'm going to go through with the card that I create, and that they all have a video to show you guys how to use those new design, and I will working on something new. Okay, so the 5% extra coupon code is the LK, that means Local King LK YouTube 2021. So it's a LK YouTube 2021. So that's your 5% extra discount. So at this moment, the whole store is 15% off. With this 5%, you get 20% off. That's totally enough to cover the shipping fee. And then this 5% off is also good for the 2021's fall new release, those brand new combo set. You probably, I know a lot of you guys, every time when I launched the pre-order, you wasn't sure, you just order one this, one that. You know what? If you like my product, just go for all. This is a great deal, and this promotion is this pre-order is only good until November 7th. Okay, so let's go with the first one. The first one is the Puffy Cheeks. It's a little chipmunk. I think this is one so far is our most popular one. People do vote this one as the number one. We will see after we receive all the orders, and we will find out. So this is the Puffy Cheek and come with the one stamp, and then they are all rubber stamp. So come with the two die cut, the detail die and the outline die cut. And then this is the video that I create. Make sure you visit the local Kings Online video library. You can see all the detail. And then all the stamps, they are ready made and ready to go. We're just waiting for the shipment, and hopefully they will arrive early November and or mid-November. We will have out as soon as when we receive our die cut. Okay, so this is the first one, is called the Puffy Cheeks, and a very cute one. Okay, and then this is the cornflowers. Okay, so that's what it look like. And then this is the card that I create by using the Copic marker. And then this is a Living Forest background. So it's $12.99 for the background stamp, but you get almost like a 20% off. But please do note the free shipping only for the pre-order item. Okay. The next one is one of my favorite. Is called the Mr. London Frog. Same thing, the rubber stamp and the double die. And then this is the card that I create. Okay, like this. It's a pop-out card. And then this is the die cut, the freebie die cut. So at this moment, this die cut is I haven't listed on my website yet. So for you guys, is going to be freebie. Okay, how about this? Anybody's order over $100, I will include this one too. Okay, for if the people I know some of you guys cannot afford to have a whole like an old set. So anybody order over $100, I will include this one. It's not going to show on your invoice, but when I packing it, I will include this one with the order over $100. Okay, so this one, I don't know, have you watched the video yet? This one called the Love Nest, and I did this card under 1 minute. I will create another video to show you step by step, because I was kind of challenging myself. But when I create this card, it took me 58 seconds to create this card, just about under 1 minute. But I have a lot of detail that I didn't have time to explain to you guys. So I will recreate this video and share with some awesome stamping tips with you guys. Okay, so that's called the Love Nest. The other one is also a pretty popular set. It's called the Buddies and the Three Little Cups. And this is the card I create. Okay, so I think it's if you can put some party hat, you change the different color, and they can be a brown bear, they can be a black bear, they cannot be a polar bear though, because there's well, why not? Maybe you know what? I'm going to try to see if I can turn this little cup to a polar bear, because the background is our waterfall background stamp. And then King in Alaska told me one time they look like a gray show. So maybe that's one great project to make those little cup as a polar bear. Okay, so this one is actually I changed the name. The new name is going to call Humming Bloom. So the name is actually come from King in Alaska. So this is the card that I create. And for Kings, thank you so much for helping me to name these stamps. That I actually have a little extra gift for you. It's going to be a surprise, and hoping you like it. And I will send that one to you next time when I receive your order. So thank you for helping me to name these stamps. That I love humming blooming better than this one. It's kind of for me hard to pronounce and hard to remember. Okay, so that's our humming blooming. And then this is the Joyride. The Joyride, Christmas is just around the corner. I think you still have some time to make your Christmas card. So that's the few awesome ideas that I share with you. And remember, they all have a video to show you how to create those cards. So the background is Touch of the Magic, and make sure you check it out. With your coupon, they are 20% off. So it's pretty good deal. It's enough to cover your shipping. Okay, so this is it. And again, this thank you is that freebie one. Okay, so I did a few with the same set. Just make sure you check the local Kings Online video library and click the card you like. It will bring you to the YouTube channel. Bubbles is also a very popular set, a little angel fish. Okay, so here is the card. Okay, so those are the eight brand new stamp set, and if you have the budget, it will be great to order some stamp. If you don't have the budget, don't worry about it. I have created a lot of YouTube video try to just pick up the technique, and all is about having fun. So by the time you're watching this video, the promotion is already started. Today is October 21st. Is on the full promotion. The pre-order is until November 7th. After November 7th, all the price is going to come back to the normal, and also the shipping fee will add it on. So you have probably almost 2 weeks to think about it. And remember, those coupon code is good for one-time use only. And for our Canadian customer, the customer who visit us at the Great Canadian Scrapbooking Carnival in Edmonton last month, check your receipt. On your receipt, there is a coupon code, and this coupon code is going to expire in 7 days, 5 days, sorry, 6 days. So you can actually use this coupon code. And thank you so much to coming to visit us at the show. Okay, that's everything for today. If you have any question, feel free to contact with me, and I'm so excited to create more video to share with you guys, and I will definitely use those brand new combo set to create more video, and I will keep those video coming. So this is Lisa from Local King Robert Stan. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. And remember that 5% extra coupon code is LK YouTube 2021, and it's going to expire November 7th. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.